to do something a little different. We're gonna go ahead and do a full day of what's on the plate so I can show you everything I'm eating on my healthy journey. Stay tuned and you'll find out. Okay, so I went ahead and I got my coffee made. I usually don't drink the coffee, just in one of those moods where I really want it, and I got my sugar-free caramel because it's so much better than sugar and it tastes amazing. I've got my 2 eggs whipped up, ready to go. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my pan and pop in some toast and get going with breakfast. Alright, y'all, there we have it. 2 eggs, 2 pieces of toast, a little bit of butter, my coffee, and my super cute Lion King cup. Best coffee ever. Alright, I'll check back in with y'all and show you it's for lunch. Hey everyone, it's lunchtime! Yeah! Okay, so usually on my work from home days for lunch, I try to make something, whether it be like some grilled chicken or something like that. However, I do have my salad left over from last night. Let me show y'all. It was one of those salad kits. It was a strawberry vinaigrette one with feta cheese, quinoa, crunchy almond sauces, and then I threw in some other stuff like grilled chicken and stuff like that. So here's the dressing it came in. A little messy. Super good. And then here's the salad. And it wasn't super expensive. I think it was like $2.98 for a big thing. And it's 2 full meals for me. And then I also grilled up some chicken breast and chopped it up and put it on there as well. So I'll go ahead and have this, and then I'll catch back up with you for dinner. Hey guys, so it's dinner time. So what I have fixed up is some Alfredo noodles, grilled chicken, and Brussels sprouts. And that is dinner. Hey everyone, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe below. It does help my channel out tremendously. And as always, remember, it's a good day to have a good day. Bye.